Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a couple of productive days in my life. I like to start the day with the important things: hydration, some fuzzy socks and slippers, and lots of caffeine. I keep my morning skincare pretty basic. I rinse my face with water and use a light moisturizer. And for days I want to be extra glowy, I'll use a First Aid Beauty Under Eye Glow. I'm a sucker for a TikTok find, and this hair balm is one of them. I bought it off Amazon and it was less than $10, and I've been using it for my slick back ponytails and buns.
Wait, you actually think it's 2003?
Hello you guys and good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a productive day in the life. So today's Monday. I am off. My husband actually took off work today. I just have some productive stuff to do. Right now my husband and I are gonna go get breakfast tacos at this place called Chiloso. If you're in the DFW area, you've got to go check out Chiloso because they have the best breakfast tacos. And then we're gonna go get groceries and just have a productive day. Alright, so we're gonna go get some breakfast.
Time for the what?
Just got home from the grocery store and I'm going to put our groceries away really quick. Alright, we decided to go on a hot girl walk.
It's still hot girl summer.
It is still hot girl summer. It is still August. Sugar is hot girl trotting.
Because you're with us, usually that doesn't happen.
She is hot girl pulling.
People really like, train your damn dog.
Train your dog. Little do you know, Cody spent long hours trying to train our dog. He did. Not trying. He did train her. She just never got the hang of the walk.
And everything else she's been great at. Like, she listens well. It's just when it comes to being outside and walking and stuff.
Crazy
she's
girl.
just-
Alright, so here is currently what we got to work with. So this is the like honeycomb little organizer that I got last week, and I still have room to do a whole nother side. I bought these from Walmart. I'll have it linked below. It's a honeycomb drawer organizer. This was less than $8 at Walmart, and it's so worth it because look how organized it is. And I went through all of my socks and underwear and bras and got rid of a ton of stuff I don't need anymore. So I'm going to clear this out and then do the other side. I caught up on a book I am reading before we headed over to the mall. I really wanted to try on an Aritzia bodysuit that I've seen all over TikTok, and as you can see, I did end up purchasing it. When we got home from the mall, we noticed that our new chair was delivered from Target, and I was so excited to get it open and see how it looks in our living room. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I think I ended yesterday at the mall with you. We went to North Park Mall and did a little shopping, so I'll show you guys my haul really quick. I only got one thing, and it is this Aritzia bodysuit. Like, this thing is amazing. I was planning on buying a bodysuit off Amazon that was inexpensive. I tried this one on for fun yesterday at the mall, and I was like, no, this is the real deal. I just like bought it, didn't think about it, and the quality is so nice. I feel like it sucks everything in, it shapes you right, literally no camel toe going on here. I want this in every color. So I got that, and then we also got a chair in from Target yesterday that we had ordered last week. To continue on to my productive day in the life, I need to clean up the living room really quick, and then I have a book that I'm almost finished with, and I need to run to the library and return it with a couple others. So I'll take you guys with me there. I need to film a video today, my Amazon haul, and we're just gonna see what the day holds. Here's the living room that we got to work with. So that is the new chair from Target. Love it. I'm gonna pick up a little bit clean. I'm still working on the pillow situation. I haven't figured out exactly what kind of pillows I want. Please ignore this lamp. It literally is like the most despised thing in my house, but I haven't found a lamp that is the right size for that table that I love for the living room yet, so it makes do. I'm also aware this mirror is way too small. I had put it there, and then there's holes in the wall now, so I don't want to take it down. So until I find something better, it's gonna stay. Target, and I've been specifically wanting this brown velvet. They had the gray, but the brown was just more the aesthetic of my house. So when I finally saw that it came back in stock, I immediately purchased it, and I kid you not, guys, I purchased it. I remember it said there was 5 left. I refreshed the page after I bought it, and it was out of stock. So if you ever see this specific color in stock and you want it, it's more than likely gonna go out of stock again. So obsessed. We talked about doing 2. I just think the space is a little small for 2 of these, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm back from the library. I just dropped off those 2 books, and I'm gonna get ready to film my Amazon haul. I'll have that linked below. You can go check out. In the way of filming, I'm just gonna keep my hair slicked back in this ponytail, and I'm gonna do like super light makeup. I'm a pretty like natural girl when it comes to filming. I just like to look natural and glowy, like how I would look pretty much every day. I don't get glam every day, so if I get glam for videos, it's not getting the real deal. All right, so here's the setup. I've got the ring light, I've got my camera stand that you're about to go on. I'm gonna sit here. I've got all my Amazon stuff. We're ready to go. I decided to put on my neon sign. This is from Cody and I's wedding, so go check it out. I'll have it linked below. All right, so now that I finished filming that haul, I'm going to do a little project, as you may say. I bought one of these fabric shavers from Walmart. This one was only $10. I honestly just didn't want to wait for one to ship to me. The one I really wanted was from Amazon. It's honestly not that much more expensive. It's like $13. Does the same thing. And my couch, this is from Ashley's Furniture. It does kind of pill a little bit like the fabric. It takes a long time. Last week I did 2 and it took me like an hour, but I was being very particular. So I'm just gonna kind of go around and do as much as I feel like doing because it's pretty time consuming. Almost 1 o'clock and Cody and I are gonna have a smoothie for lunchtime. I'm going to show you guys my recipe. I posted it before in a vlog, but this one's kind of different because I don't have any almond butter or peanut butter, and then I don't have my usual protein powder. I'm out from Amazon. First and foremost, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chia seed and some flax seeds. I'm going to add a handful of spinach. I'm using the Fancy Berry Medley from Trader Joe's. I'm going to do some almond milk. And then I don't have protein like I said, but I'm going to add in collagen powder. About a cup of water.
A little tart.
For dinner time, we've been making mocktails during the week so that we're only drinking on the weekends. This is my favorite little combination. For dinner, I'm making the Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice with the chicken cilantro wontons. And of course, I gotta add a little bit of spice.